can you please like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is day 2 back on the 2005 Toyota RAV4 with the burn wire harness. So I finally convinced the customer to get one from the junkyard because the loom was so burned up. So I went to the junkyard this morning and I find one loom, one wire harness. A couple connections are missing, but it's nothing really major. I can take it from the old one. So this is what I've done so far. I already lift the cover piece for the dashboard, the top part of the dashboard. So I already got out the loom inside. So basically, the loom coming from both sides, from the left to the right. So I have to disconnect that side of loom on the passenger side and the driver side. Also, this is the loom that I get from the junkyard. You pull it, or LKQ, whatever they change the name to. So that's the loom that I pull out. So far I have to remove the entire bumper to really reach to the ground straps and stuff like that. I actually removed the wiper motor and stuff like that, the cover. I have to loosen the brake booster, the master cylinder and stuff like that to get the loom from behind the booster. So this piece right here, like, just sit right behind the brake booster. So I have to pull the loom from that side, and also this is the side, that passenger side, that go inside. So I have to remove the loom from inside and stuff like that. So now I just have to disconnect from the front of here and stuff. Same goes right here. I guess the loom, I'm missing this piece right here. This is for the on and the sensor. So I'm gonna cut it right here. And what else I'm missing? I think I'm missing this one. Which one? This piece and the connection on both sides on the loom, and that new wire harness right there. So this is the burned up wire harness. I call it the engine bay harness. You can see it's burned all the way up in the loom, from all the way over here. Got a lot of burn up pieces. Yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. So I just need to disconnect the front, what about the front, and then I can pull it right out. And here's the ground strap right here, and right here. And I think I'm missing the wire piece for the front. So I think I'm just gonna cut it. I'm just gonna cut it right here. And then I'm gonna join it back right here on the loom. So I don't have to take anything apart from here because I already missing this leg of the wire. So I'm just gonna cut it right here and join it right there and stuff like that. Yeah, so submission. So that's where I'm at right now on this Toyota RAV4 burn wire engine bay harness, as I said. Yeah. So now that we got the whole harness out right now, so this is how the engine bay look right now. This is the old one.